channel. If you're new here, do subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. It would just take 1 second. So please subscribe कर दो and like भी कर दो इस वीडियो को because today, finally, oh my god, my Shein parcel has arrived. And this all stuff I had got from मतलब Black Friday के सेल में मैंने सब मंगाया था from Shein and also some of it from Temu as well. So I'm gonna show and I'm gonna try it as well, and I will just insert it over here, the clips that I've tried it. So yeah, let's get started and show you what all I have got. Also, I'll mention the price, how much it was originally and how much I got it for Black Friday sale में कितने reduction में मिला है. All the prices and everything I'll mention it on the screen as well. Ordered this like crew neck. It's very nice. You can see in the clip as well. The material is so comfortable and अंदर से चुभता भी नहीं है. I love the material. I think it's polyester, but yeah, this is how it's from inside. And as you can see, it looks beautiful as well. Or yeah, it is like a cropped sweater, pullover sweater, but I absolutely love the material, and also I love the print as well because I'm fascinated, obsessed with this print, and it looks good even on beige. You can pair it with beige pants, or you could pair it with lighter pants as well. So yeah, lighter shade में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. But this is the first thing I got, and I love how comfortable it is and perfect for the winter weather. So most of my clothing will definitely be winter के हिसाब से, as यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है. So yeah, that's the first thing I've got. And also second, the one I'm wearing, it's like a cozy pajama set which I ordered from Shein as well, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love the color. As you can see in the clip, it's very cozy, comfy, and it's kind of oversized. So yeah, that's a good one that I've purchased. I'm glad I got this. And then next, what I've got is I have got this purple sweater. Again, it's pullover because I love sweaters जो यहाँ से it's like quite balloon type, so it looks good on my body posture as well. I love clothes like these, and you can see the material and fabric. It's so nice and it's not see-through at all, and ठंडी भी नहीं लगती, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है इसमें. So I absolutely love this one. It's quite nice. I'll insert a picture. So this time I thought that I would experiment with the colors because usually I order clothes like in darker shades like black में and then red, something like that, maroon type shades में, because I go for darker shades because it suits my skin tone as well. I mean rarely I order lighter shades because obviously I'm wearing black. I love black. So this time I thought of experimenting. So this is one again. This is the one pullover sweater type, but it is thoda long mein. It's not cropped, but you can see again the work and finishing, the color mint blue. It's so adorable, maroon, and yeah. But आप देख सकते हो, even the clip, it looks so good. And again, quality is, worth every penny. So yeah, that's the one I've ordered. And yeah guys, also even Shein के products, they are the quality that I thought that कि इतनी अच्छी quality नहीं होती है, so I thought that I will order in Black Friday के समय. I'll see how it is because I've ordered before, but the quality is actually nice, and it's actually sometimes what you ordered is not what you get, like how it looks on, the model, it doesn't look the same on you, but Shein के products exactly वैसे ही quality के आते हैं, and yeah, I actually love them absolutely. And next, I especially got this for Christmas. This is a leather jacket. This is in red, and it has these must golden buttons, and they look so cute. You can अंदर से as you can see, I have worn white top जो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. So you can wear any top or any, you can pair it with anything else, and even आप पूरा close करके भी पहन सकते हो. So yeah, this is the leather jacket that I've got. Again, it's kind of crop, I would say, kind of like medium length में है, but yeah, the material is quite nice. It's leather and it's quite stretchable as well. It's not something that एकदम ऐसे body को चिपक जाए. It's not like that. But yeah, again, I love it because I love red as well because it looks nice on your skin. I have got this So this is a open neck, full sleeve, like ekdam tight fitting top. This is something new that I usually don't order stuff like this, but I thought of experimenting, as I said, and it looks nice. I thought of wearing it to the gym, but not sure, but we'll see. But yeah, ऐसे भी it looks very nice. I absolutely love it. Again, the material and the fabric, it feels so good. I mean, it's stretchable भी है, और it's not even something that कि फटाक से फट जाए. The material is quite nice. So yeah, and the worst thing is India में Shein ban है. मतलब जितना मैंने किया, बिकॉज वी यूज टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम शीन बिफोर, बट देन बैन हो गया था इंडिया में. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट ओवर हियर कि मुझे शीन से कपड़े ऑर्डर करने मिलते हैं. सो या, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड. देन आई हैव गॉट दिस. Oh, I love this bag because मेरे पास tote bags है. I have big tote bags, but I don't have a bag which is like medium size में. I have bag in small size and large size tote bags, but this is the perfect medium size bag that I have got. As you can see, I paired it with the cheetah print, मतलब जो मैंने टॉप लिया था उसके साथ, and it looks so good actually. I thought of, मतलब मुझे ऑफिस में भी जाने के लिए मैं ये लेके जा सकती हूँ, कैरी कर सकती हूँ. एंड द मटेरियल, ओ माई गॉड, I love the flutes, like how pretty it is, and it's very soft. It's like cushion. So yeah, it's definitely soft. और इसके अंदर like बहुत सारे नहीं, एक ही chain है. Yeah, so it has one zip and then it has another big zip as well. So that's quite nice. I have got this. It's like a asymmetrical neckline, so it's like one shoulder. I don't think I own anything like this because मतलब one side shoulder का tops t-shirt I don't have any, so I thought I definitely need one because of the color. I absolutely am in love with the color, and it looks so nice and pretty when I wear it. And yeah, it's like मतलब पूरा tight है. It's like it fits your skin. It fits your body so perfectly. So I love it. I absolutely love it. It's again full sleeves. So yeah, and I love the color as well. And again, it's very comfortable. These are like all the things that I ordered in clothing. ये सब मैंने अभी के लिए, I wanted to first see how everything fits. Like, I mean, whether it's true to size or not, but definitely it is. So now I have ordered some jewelry as well, some nice jewelry, because I have a lot of hoops and everything, but I don't own something like this, and this is so pretty, so pretty. I am in love how this looks. I mean, quality hai, it's too good. And I don't own jewelry in white, so I definitely wanted to get something in white for Christmas, because of course that's one thing I want, and it was very cheap as well. I think it's quite affordable. Then I've got this bracelets, and oh my god, as soon as I saw the color, I was like, no, I need to get this one because I love this color. And I don't own something like this again, and it's like a set, and it was quite, I mean, it's worth the price because quality bhi bahut achhi hai, and I love blue emeralds. Anything in blue, I'm in for it. And of course I got the same thing in white because why not? There you go. So pretty. It's actually so pretty. And then again, I got blue emeralds ke rings. I mean, oh, I love this color, and I'm showing it on my makeup brush because yeah, I just wanted to show how it looks. As you can see, they are so pretty and they are so beautiful. So I've ordered them in blue. I've ordered a lot of rings as well because Shein mein the best part about it is that you get them in sets. So this was like a blue set of jewelry. So yeah, मुझे मतलब ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा affordable लगे. So I got them, and then I got this pair of ring. मतलब इसमें I think there are maybe more than, I think around 15 or 20 rings. a lot of them, and they are of different sizes and different shapes, different color, different, I mean same color but different patterns. So, and they were so cheap, and I just put them in my cart very quickly. I didn't even think about it. But let me show you like all the different patterns they have got. So this is like one set, and then there are these ones. I absolutely love the first one, the flower one. It's so pretty. So the next thing I got, I actually love them, and I have wore the black one as well. So I have got these flower claw clips, and they are so pretty and nice. I mean, of course, India में मिलते ही होंगे, but yeah, I got them for a. I mean, I got a set of them. So मुझे black color, and then I love this color, but it looks so good, and they are not cheap quality as well. They are great quality products. Got all of this from Temu. तो ये सब मैंने टीमू से ऑर्डर किया है. आई वुड लिस्ट द प्राइस ऑफ दीज, ऑल 3 of these. I've got 3 of these in these colors, and I love them. They are so pretty. And the next thing I got, it's so cute. It's pink. This is a hand warmer. I mean, इसमें you could put hot water even for your cramps or anything like that. If you have backache, back pain, anything, so you could put hot water in it. But it's so soft and cozy. और pink में है. And it's written warm share, so I found it quite cute as well. So that's why I got it. It's a must. Yeah, it's a must for a girl. If you're a girly, you definitely need this. Also, this is something that I randomly purchased because when you shower, like मेरे और जानकी के बाल, we have so much, I mean a lot of, obviously when you shower you get quite hair fall as well. So these are like, you could put them नीचे शावर के यहाँ पे, यू कुड जस्ट स्टिक देम, एंड सो द वाटर गोज थ्रू, लाइक आपके बाल वगैरह सब कुछ जाएंगे नहीं, सो इट डजंट क्लॉग योर शावर एरिया. that was a must have, and I needed that. So the next thing, one thing about me, I love painting. I mean, it's like therapeutic to me. It's like a therapy. So this is one thing that I've ordered, which I wanted from so long, because I wanted to try and see like how I mean whether, I mean I have seen it on reels, but मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि नहीं यार ऐसा होगा कि नहीं होगा पता नहीं. But so this is a canvas, and there is a picture. I'll put the picture over here, how it should turn out after you paint it. In the canvas there are all these different numbers. If you can see, number 7, number 8, number 1, 2, 3. So ये numbers के हिसाब से they have different color paints that they have given you, and there is number on each color paint, the watercolor. So you can paint accordingly according to the numbers, which is so nice. And even if you're a beginner and you want to paint something really good, और ये बहुत अच्छा नाइट लाइफ का पेंटिंग था जो मुझे बहुत मस्त लगा. So, and they give you brush, and canvas ka quality is also very nice, really really nice, and definitely I'm gonna paint this. The next thing is makeup related. I mean, I was in shock जब ये arrive हुआ कि I thought, oh my god. So I ordered these lip liners, and from this brand, I think it's Straight True Color or something, CR ये brand थी, I'm not sure, but there were so many lip liners, और इतने कम प्राइस में मुझे मिला है. It was really like a steal deal, and can you see there were so many shades. Yeah, so there are so many different shades, and I wanted to have a lip liner collection so that I could match my lipsticks according to every shade. So this I wanted this. So yeah, ये मैंने मंगाया just to try, and the quality, oh my god. So the quality over here, but yeah, it glides so smoothly, as you can see. It's very nice, pretty. And the next thing I ordered is this. These are so, I mean, this was worth every penny because ये बहुत cheap price में मिले, and they are like thermal socks, because in winter you need to wear socks. But there was 10, it's like a 10 pair of socks, but ये ऐसे quality की है, and they are like thermal. अंदर से भी it's quite nice, so it's very good quality. This is a must have in winter. So ये purchase बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था, and yeah, I love them. that was everything that I have ordered. This is quite a short video, but just I wanted to show all the stuff that I've ordered in Black Friday from Shein and from Temu as well. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me. Until next time, bye.